Hello and welcome to another update video about Fantom. Fantom shows a bit of a rally, not enough to indicate it has bottomed. We highlighted in the previous video that, Fantom dropped below the 78.6 retracement. The target below that level was the 22-cent level here, which it reached, and then we needed to wait for a possible signal. We said, okay, it dropped below the, let's say, magical 78.6 retracement, but obviously recovered here now fairly quickly. As indicated in the last video, we can still give it a chance in this C wave to the upside from there. But a break below the 21.4 cent level, that low, would likely send it down to around about 16 cents, maybe lower, but support did hold for now. Can we now say it has bottomed? Not yet, it's way too early for that. Just a few green candles don't really give confidence. They just show that price is just bouncing back and it could just be a corrective rally. So what we need to see is an impulse or at least a diagonal structure, which we might see, but it's not crystal clear. But we can start to track something, and we're going to take a look at that now. Just be aware that until we have a 5-wave move to the upside, things are still fairly unclear, because we cannot confirm that a bottom has been made, that a low has been made, a lasting low is in place. So in terms of a move to the upside, what can we do? Can we identify any kind of possible reversal pattern to the upside? It's difficult. It's difficult. All that Fantom has done now is it has recovered above the 78.6 retracement, which is to a degree good, but it's not enough to say it has bottomed. It is ready to the next resistance here, the 30.7 cent level, which has been previous support. Our dotted line here, it's been the support level on the 10th of March. It has been resistance on the 6th of June, and we are there now. Looking at this, what would I need to see to indicate price has indeed formed a lasting low on the 10th of June? Again, we need to follow a process here. Unfortunately, we don't see an impulse at this stage, but what we can say is this might have been a leading diagonal. This here, the low on the 20th of June might have been a wave 2, and now we need to rally in a third wave. There should be a fourth and a fifth, ideally somewhere above relevant resistance, but there isn't really the relevant resistance level here. There are many resistances. So I would already be happy if we can break above 35 cents here, above the golden ratio in 5 waves. What would need to happen? So first of all, this structure here could be counted as a first diagonal structure here, with a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5 of 1. But because this is not impulsive, I have to count it obviously as a diagonal. Then we can look at this as a wave 2. Then now we need to identify, okay, what do we need to see for further continuation? I want to see a third wave rally. Now we get already the problem here that Fantom gets a pullback where it shouldn't ideally get one. The minimum expectation for a third wave rally would be the 1.618 extension. So it would need to reach 36 cents, to be honest. Yeah, we are far away from that, unless this is another 1-2 setup, but then the wave 1 was already fairly strong. But we'll see. What we need to see is price reach now 36 cents. And at the same time, if we talk about relevant support now, Fantom needs to hold the 78.6 retracement of this last move up. So it needs to hold the 26.6 cent level. This is relevant support, 26.6 cents. As long as this level is holding, price has a chance to go higher. Yeah? It's a 78.6 retracement that needs to hold, because if it breaks below that, we have some evidence that here we only have a 3-wave structure to the upside, probably just in an ABC structure where this move up was, let me think, probably here the A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. These are the 2 wave counts. If I look at the Fibonacci extensions again, just of this move to the upside here, go to the low, it reached the 78.6 extension. Not the 1-to-1 ratio, that would be a very common target for a C wave. So let's see. You should now be aware of the relevant, let's say, breakout point, the relevant target for a third wave rally, and the support that needs to hold to focus on higher. If that level breaks though, then we have evidence that Fantom peaked only in 3 waves. And as long as it's only a 3-wave structure, and it doesn't really matter how high we go with that, as long as it's only a 3-wave structure, especially if a diagonal structure is involved, I cannot really highlight that Fantom has bottomed, okay? So we are paying close attention to it, can still easily break down, but as I said, we can give it a chance, and the break above the trend channel has some bullish implications, but next target for the bulls needs to be a break above 30.7 cents. Below that level, there's still significant downside pressure. If price can move above it, price target next would be around the 35-36 cent range. That's my update about Fantom. Hope you will like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.